Welcome to the Isle of Man, home of the famous TT races. For 2 weeks of the year, this public road converts into a racetrack. That's 37 3/4 miles of smooth mountain sections, undulations, jumps, and the treacherous bit from Ginger Hall to Ramsey, which is more like a motocross track. For over 100 years, men and women have been racing around this awesome section of racetrack. But to get a bike to work well around here, it has to fulfill a huge amount of parameters. British suspension components Ktech are synonymous with the TT. They've taken multiple race wins around this track. And what they learn at the TT, they pass on to the end customer, which is me and you. Now that doesn't mean you've got to be a superbike rider to get the most out of the suspension. They make affordable suspension for adventure bikes, cruisers, and bikes like Yamaha's MT-09. What Ktech provide is personalised suspension that meets the requirements of how you ride, your weight, and where you ride. So for example, in this MT-09, we have the SXK in fork internal kit and the Razor R rear shock. And this bike has been set up for my weight, the way I ride, and for days riding at the Isle of Man. Now we can talk about the technical specifications. It's improved damping over the standard suspension, and we know it's multiple adjustable, and we can change it for different ways of riding. But rather than talking all day, we've got the Isle of Man, drying roads, time to go have some fun. Behind me is the world famous gooseneck corner, and in front of me is the mountain section. Unrestricted road, no speed limit. We've already tested the suspension around town and over the bumps and yumps in a safe environment. But now, with no speed limit on the Isle of Man, we can safely test the high speed stability and really push the Ktech suspension a little towards its limit. So we're back at the Craig, exactly where we started. What an amazing ride, 37 3/4 miles of some of the best roads there are. Around town, the bike was nice and stable, nice and plush. Through Bigarrow, we gave it a bit of a handful and watched the suspension move. And again, through Ginger Hall to Ramsey, where it's notoriously bumpy, the suspension was compliant, even though it was a little bit damp. And then when we got to the mountain section, it's perfectly legal because there's no speed limit. We could really push the speed and the handling a little, 135, 140 miles an hour, perfect stability. Now we're not saying the standard bike is a bad bike, it isn't. It's sold by the bucket load, it's great fun, it's hugely versatile. But getting custom bespoke suspension by Ktech is a bit like buying a made-to-measure suit or made-to-measure leathers rather than just buying something off the peg. The ride height is adjustable, so if you're a tall or a short rider, you can increase it by 20 mil or lower it. But let's not get too technical. The bike's great fun. The roads are still dry. Time for another lap.